You are aging your skin faster than you think, not because you are careless, not because you do not try, but because some of the things you have been doing to your skin, things that feel completely normal, things that feel responsible, things that feel like good skincare, are quietly working against you every single day. Here is the truth that nobody in the beauty industry wants to say plainly. Black skin is extraordinary. Melanin-rich skin has a natural resilience, a natural depth, and a natural glow that other skin tones spend thousands of dollars trying to replicate. Black women have been told for generations that black don't crack, and there is real biology behind that. But here is what that saying leaves out. Black skin can crack. Black skin can age prematurely. Black skin can lose its glow, develop uneven tone, become dull and dehydrated, and visibly older, not because of time, but because of what you are doing to it. And the most devastating part is that the mistakes that cause this damage are not obvious. They are not the things you would expect. They are habits that millions of women practice every single day because they were never told any differently. Today, that changes. We are going through 5 of the biggest mistakes that are aging black skin faster, and more importantly, I am telling you exactly what to do instead. By the time this video is over, you will understand your skin in a way that most women never do, and that understanding is going to change everything. Stay with me through to mistake number 1, because that is the one that almost every woman over 50 is making, and it is the one doing the most damage. Welcome to Timeless Melanin, the channel built for black women over 50 who refuse to let time, myths, or bad advice determine how they look and feel every single day. Every video on this channel is made specifically for you, your skin, your body, your life, and the standard of care and elegance you deserve to give yourself every single day. If you are new here, welcome. You are in the right place. Before we get into these 5 mistakes, do me a favor right now. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. We drop new videos every week. Skincare, style, wellness, and honest conversation made specifically for black women over 50. The women who subscribe are the women who glow up. Come join us. Now, let us talk about your skin. Mistake number 5, over-cleansing. We're starting with number 5, and this one is going to surprise a lot of women because it feels like the responsible thing to do. Over-cleansing. There's a deeply ingrained idea in our culture that clean skin is the foundation of good skincare. Wash your face morning and night. Wash it thoroughly. Wash away the oil, the dirt, the pollution, the makeup, everything. And if your skin feels tight and squeaky clean afterward, that means it's working. That feeling of tightness, that squeaky clean sensation, that's not your skin being clean, that's your skin being stripped. Here's what's actually happening. Your skin has a natural protective barrier called the acid mantle. It's a thin, slightly acidic film made up of sebum, your skin's natural oil, combined with sweat and other secretions. This barrier is your skin's first line of defense against environmental damage, bacteria, moisture loss, and premature aging. It keeps the good things in and the harmful things out. When you over-cleanse, washing too frequently, using cleansers that are too harsh, using hot water, scrubbing aggressively, you strip this barrier away. And for black women over 50, the consequences of a compromised skin barrier are significant. Melanin-rich skin, when its barrier is disrupted, becomes more vulnerable to transepidermal water loss, which means moisture evaporates from the skin at an accelerated rate. The result is skin that appears dull, ashy, and dehydrated. Fine lines and wrinkles become more visible. The skin loses the plumpness and luminosity that makes it look youthful. Hyperpigmentation, already a common concern for black women, worsens because inflammation triggers the melanin-producing cells to go into overdrive. And the cruel irony of over-cleansing is that stripping the skin of its natural oils causes the skin to compensate by producing more oil. So women who over-cleanse in an attempt to control oiliness often end up with skin that is simultaneously dehydrated and oily, a combination that is both uncomfortable and aging. So what should you do instead? For women over 50, once daily cleansing in the evening is usually sufficient for most skin types. In the morning, a gentle rinse with lukewarm water is often all your skin needs. Your skin hasn't accumulated significant dirt overnight, and a full cleanse strips the overnight repair work your skin was doing while you slept. Choose a gentle, non-stripping cleanser. Look for words like hydrating, gentle, or creamy on the label. Avoid anything that foams aggressively, contains alcohol high on the ingredient list, or leaves that tight feeling behind. Cleanse with lukewarm water, never hot. Pat dry gently, never rub. Your skin's barrier is not your enemy, it's one of your greatest anti-aging assets. Protect it. Mistake 4. Sun damage. I know exactly what you have been told your whole life. Black skin does not need sunscreen. The melanin protects you. You do not burn the way lighter skin tones do. That belief is one of the most damaging skincare myths in existence. Yes, melanin provides some natural UV protection. The natural SPF equivalent of darker skin tones is estimated between SPF 8 and SPF 15, but dermatologists recommend a minimum of SPF 30 for daily use. Your melanin covers less than half of what your skin actually needs. The UV radiation that gets through causes cumulative damage that shows up in very specific ways on black skin over 50. Hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and uneven tone that take months to fade. Loss of elasticity as UV rays break down collagen, keeping your skin firm. A dull, tired complexion that no highlighter can fully correct because the damage is happening beneath the surface. There is also the matter of skin cancer. Black women have a lower incidence, but a significantly higher mortality rate when it does occur, largely because of this persistent myth. What to do instead? SPF 30 or higher every single day, not just on beach days. UV rays penetrate clouds and windows. Choose a broad spectrum formula. For black skin specifically, look for tinted mineral sunscreens or chemical sunscreens that do not leave a white cast. Reapply every 2 hours outdoors. Your melanin is magnificent, but it was never meant to work alone. Mistake 3. Using the wrong products. Using the wrong products. The mainstream skincare industry was built primarily around lighter skin tones. The products developed, tested, and marketed as standard skincare were not formulated with black skin in mind, and using the wrong products is one of the fastest ways to accelerate aging and worsen hyperpigmentation. 3 of the most common product mistakes for black women over 50. First, alcohol-based toners and astringents. Marketed as pore minimizing or clarifying, these strip moisture and damage your barrier. For skin over 50 that needs every drop of hydration it can hold, alcohol is actively harmful. Second, misusing exfoliating acids and retinol. Glycolic acid, retinol, and strong chemical exfoliants are powerful actives that can deliver real results, but used incorrectly at too high a concentration or too frequently, they cause irritation and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Black skin is highly reactive to inflammation and will respond by darkening, making uneven tone significantly worse. Third, skipping products that address hyperpigmentation specifically. Vitamin C serums, niacinamide, and azelaic acid are ingredients that work with melanin-rich skin rather than against it. If these are not in your routine, you're leaving your biggest skin concern unaddressed. What to do instead? Build your routine around gentle, hydrating, barrier-supporting products. Introduce actives slowly and at low concentrations. Look specifically for products formulated or recommended for melanin-rich skin. Ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides are your foundation. We are halfway through, and I hope this is already changing the way you think about your skincare routine. If you are not yet subscribed to Timeless Melanin, do that right now. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and join thousands of Black women over 50 who are choosing to show up for their skin with intention and knowledge every single day. New content every week. Subscribe now and let's keep going, because the next 2 mistakes are the ones most women never even consider. Mistake 2. Over-exfoliating. Over-exfoliating done correctly is one of the most powerful tools in your skincare routine. It removes dead skin cells, brightens the complexion, improves texture, and allows your other products to penetrate more effectively. Done incorrectly, it is one of the fastest ways to permanently damage melanin-rich skin. Here is why over-exfoliation is particularly dangerous for Black women over 50 specifically. Melanin-rich skin is highly reactive to inflammation. Anytime Black skin experiences irritation from aggressive scrubbing, from overuse of chemical exfoliants, from exfoliating compromised or already sensitive skin, the inflammatory response triggers the melanin-producing cells to produce excess pigment. The result is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Dark patches, uneven tone, discoloration that can take 6 months to a year to fade. And that is if you stop the behavior causing it. Many women over-exfoliate because they are chasing brightness. The skin looks dull, so they exfoliate more aggressively, more frequently, not realizing that the dullness is often caused by dehydration and a compromised barrier, not by a lack of exfoliation. More scrubbing makes both problems dramatically worse. Physical exfoliants, scrubs with rough particles, cleansing brushes, rough washcloths, are the most common culprits. These create micro tears in the skin and trigger the exact inflammatory response that worsens hyperpigmentation. What to do instead? Limit exfoliation to once or twice a week maximum. Choose gentle chemical exfoliants over physical scrubs. Lactic acid is one of the most skin-friendly options for Black women over 50 because it exfoliates gently while also hydrating. Never exfoliate skin that is already irritated, sunburned, or broken out. And if your skin feels sensitive after exfoliating, that is your skin telling you to back off. Brightness comes from a healthy, hydrated, well-protected skin barrier, not from scrubbing harder. And here we are. Mistake number 1. The most common, the most impactful, and the one that ties every other mistake on this list together. Moisture neglect. This is not simply about forgetting to apply moisturizer. Moisture neglect is a pattern, a systematic under-prioritization of hydration at every level of the skincare routine. And for Black women over 50, it is the single greatest accelerator of visible aging. Here is what happens to skin moisture after 50. Estrogen levels decline with menopause, and estrogen plays a direct role in skin hydration. It stimulates the production of hyaluronic acid, which is the molecule responsible for plumping the skin and holding water in the tissue. As estrogen declines, so does the skin's natural ability to retain moisture. The result is skin that becomes progressively drier, thinner, and more fragile with each passing year. For Black skin specifically, moisture loss shows up in a very visible and specific way. ashiness. That gray, dull, flat quality that melanin-rich skin takes on when it is dehydrated is not just a surface issue. It is a sign that the deeper layers of the skin are not receiving the hydration they need to function properly. And dehydrated skin ages at an accelerated rate. Fine lines deepen, texture worsens, and the natural luminosity that makes black skin so beautiful disappears. The mistake is not always skipping moisturizer entirely. Sometimes moisture neglect looks like applying moisturizer to dry skin, which traps almost nothing because there is no water to seal in. Sometimes it looks like using a moisturizer that sits on top of the skin rather than penetrating it. Sometimes it looks like skipping a hydrating serum and relying on moisturizer alone when skin over 50 needs layered hydration to truly compensate for what it is losing naturally. What to do instead? Build a layered hydration routine. Start with a hydrating toner or essence on damp skin. This adds the first layer of water to the skin. Follow with a hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid draws water from the environment into the skin and holds it there. Then seal everything with a moisturizer that contains both humectants to attract water and occlusives to lock it in. Ingredients like glycerin, shea butter, squalene, and ceramides are your best tools. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Hydration that starts from the inside out is not a cliché, it is biology. And moisturize immediately after cleansing while your skin is still slightly damp. That is when your skin is most receptive and your products will deliver the deepest results. A hydrated skin is a youthful skin. A hydrated skin is a glowing skin. And a hydrated skin is a skin that shows the world exactly who you are. A black woman over 50 who takes care of herself with the knowledge, the intention, and the standard she deserves. 5 mistakes: over-cleansing, sun damage, using the wrong products, over-exfoliating, and moisture neglect. 5 things that may have been quietly working against your skin without you ever knowing it. And now you know, which means everything changes from here. Your skin has carried you through every decade of your life. It has absorbed sun and stress and seasons and time. It deserves to be understood. It deserves to be cared for correctly. And it deserves the results when you stop working against it and start working with it. Black skin over 50 is not skin that needs to be hidden or apologized for. It is skin that, when properly understood and properly nourished, is genuinely, undeniably, breathtakingly beautiful. Tell me in the comments, which of these 5 mistakes surprised you the most, and which one are you changing first? I read every single comment, and I genuinely want to know. If this video gave you something today, a new understanding of your skin, a new habit to build, or simply the reminder that your skin deserves the best, then this channel has so much more waiting for you. Every week at Timeless Melanin, we create content built specifically for Black women over 50 who are choosing to show up for themselves in their skincare, their style, and their life with full intention and full power. Hit subscribe right now, tap the bell, and share this video with a woman in your life whose skin deserves this information. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.